What's going on, everyone? Right here in front of me I have the BlackBerry SX, which is a replacement of the Tour, or the second generation Tour that came out this year for Verizon and for Sprint here in the US. Let's take a look at the hardware first, and then we'll go into the software. So right here, it's a pretty phone. It looks exactly like the Tour except for the trackpad. Now this one has a trackpad. The Tour before had a trackball, so that's the first difference and the thing you're going to notice first and foremost. Then another slight difference that the phone has is right here, this line of keys on the keyboard. It's thinner than this one. Why? Because the trackpad takes a little bit more space than the trackball, and that's what makes it thinner here. Everything else on the outside looks exactly the same, and I can show you them side by side. Right here, they're exactly the same size, they're exactly the same weight, everything. So even the cameras, both are 3.2 megapixels. We talked about having a better camera for this one, but I guess RAM took it out and they just went with the 3.2 megapixel, which is fine, you know, but it's a second generation phone, so I thought they would include a little bit more things. App button right here, charging port right here, your volume buttons, your headset jack right here. There you go, your usual buttons right here, your 3.2 megapixel camera with your flash, and your microphones right here. So what's so special about this phone? Why would I want to go with this instead of like a regular Tour and keep my Tour? First of all, the trackpad's going to help you a lot. The trackball gets stuck at all times. If you grab something with a little bit of oil and then grab your trackball, then you're done. Your trackball's going to go to hell. But this one won't, so it's going to last more. The keyboard's pretty clean. And let me show you another reason why you need to keep this bad boy with you. This right here is the other reason why you want this phone. Internal memory, almost 2 gigabytes. And this one, the regular Tour, has memory. None. Also, it appears that the flash memory, it's 129 in here and 97.5 in here. Although this one's empty, I can show you with another one. But yeah, so that's a new thing right off the badge. Let me see here, memory. Yep, it's basically the same, see? So either the OS is lighter on this one, or it has probably a little bit more flash memory. I'm not sure, I can't tell you right now. Another upgrade they made to the new BlackBerry SX is right here in connections. Wi-Fi, and this one has none. So now, you know, you're going to have your CDMA internet, of course, through 3G on Verizon, and Wi-Fi. So that's pretty good. That's another nice upgrade. Now let's take a look at everything that's inside of the phone, which is basically your same BlackBerry stuff. Same UI, so nothing changes. You know, you have your messages, your text messages, your contacts, your calendar, your media, clock, your camera, instant messaging applications, and let's go into instant messaging. It's empty, obviously, my BBM's all the way to the bottom. Applications. It comes with the usual suspects, you can see them right here. Games, it comes, you know, the same games that all the other berries come. Downloads, I haven't downloaded anything on this phone. Setup, you can do all of that in there. There you go, same as your good old Tour running on 5.0. Manage connections, I showed you already, we have the mobile, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, so options. Let me show you what OS this bad boy is running on, which is a 5.0 version, which is 5.0.0.203. You see how sexy that is? SX. I found the phone to be pretty responsive, to be honest with everyone. I mean, there's absolutely no problems, no flaws. Right here. Pictures. You know. And that right there is Chuchupin, my French Bulldog. Should you be excited about this phone? I think so. It's a good upgrade from the Tour. It's not a new phone, but it's an upgrade from your Tour. And the Wi-Fi addition, the internal memory addition, and the trackpad are huge benefits for you.